Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for August 24th to September 7th. We're going to talk about Henri first. Here's the latest position as of 5 p.m. 36.3 north, 71.4 west. Maximum sustained winds are 75 miles per hour, making it a Cat 1 hurricane. And movement now is towards the north-northeast at 18 miles per hour. And you can see that the forecast track in the cone has been shifted to the right. Now forecast to hit Long Island and southern Connecticut. And then continue northeastward and weakening. But we're going to take a look here. This upper low over the Mid-Atlantic region will steer this system more to the left later on Sunday. Now, it's forecast to make landfall over eastern Long Island and parts of southern New England on Sunday afternoon. Tonight and into early Sunday morning, Henri will start producing rain across parts of southern New England. The rain will be steadily increased in intensity, producing heavy rain. And the heavy rain will create numerous areas of flash flooding. Many streams may flood, potentially affecting large rivers from Sunday morning to Monday morning. The ultimate track of Henri will determine where the strongest winds will occur and the amount of rainfall. So we're going to take a look at the model. This is the upper level system, but we'll take a look at the models. We're going to take a look here at, let me see if I can get this. Okay, we're going to look at the GFS. Here's 8 p.m. tonight. 8 p.m. tonight. Then we're going to look at 8 or this will be the middle of the day, Sunday afternoon. It's over Long Island, and then it continues into New England. That's the GFS. Now we're going to look at the European deterministics, slightly to the east compared to the GFS. We'll take a look at the GFS. Okay, they're similar. And now we're going to look at the Canadian. That's more to what the official track is over at least eastern Long Island. And then we'll look at the we don't have the UK met. Okay. So tropical storm force winds are expected along the south shore of eastern Long Island and across southeast Connecticut. Given the latest track, the heaviest rainfall totals will occur across Long Island and southern Connecticut along and west of the center. The rainfall looks to occur. Wait a minute, I'm trying to read something. Given the latest track, the heaviest rainfall looks to occur along Long Island and southern Connecticut, along and west of the center of the low. The system may begin to interact with that upper low that I showed you back here. Oops. Which one? Over here. And over the Mid-Atlantic, which could enhance the rainfall on the western side of the storm. And in storm surge inundation is also concerned the potentially life-threatening storm surge along the immediate coast. And we'll take a look at that. Okay, we're going to take a look at the storm surge as a Cat 1. Let's see if I can get this. I had it on here before, but it was updated. Let me see. Okay, we're going to look at the Northeast. That's what I want to do. Category 1. Hurricane. And you can see we'll have storm inundation along all around the water contributaries across Long Island. It'll be greater here, but here's where the storm surge will be occurring. And okay, and now we're going to look at the rainfall totals. Rainfall amounts. I hope I have enough time. There's a lot going on. Okay, rainfall total for day 1. We'll go in, and then for day 2, you see the heaviest rain. This will be moving into this is moving into southern New England, but it'll be moving across New Jersey and parts of the area. This is causing a lot of heavy rainfall. And we'll look at the current warnings. These are tropical storm warnings. This is hurricane warnings. And then we'll look at the storm surge warnings. We'll remove the other ones. These are the storm surge warnings here. And we can look at, here's where the heaviest rain is current on day 2, but let's look at something else. We're going to look at the lightning intensity, if it'll come up. Let's see, we're going to try that. Okay, and this is how we can usually tell if the storm is intensifying. It hasn't intensified much. It's about category 1. Okay, and also here is the latest visible satellite. And you can see it has good flow and latest ASCAT. Winds show that it's spreading, that winds are increasing to the south of the system. And as the system moves north, that it'll expand more and become a large storm, a large weather maker. Here's a current infrared satellite, and it shows that the convection isn't very organized. It's mostly centered across to the south. Okay, now we're going to get to the forecast. This will be for August 24th to 28th. And I'm running a timer about halfway there. We have a trough here in the east, westerlies remain across the north, with a broad ridge across the southern states. And the westerlies remain to the north, and this will carry several fronts through this area and bring in rain. Now, we have this ridge across to the south will cause heat and humidity across the Mississippi Valley in the southeast. Fronts moving through this flow, as I said, will bring rainfall. We'll try to look at that at the surface. Here's one system that'll be bringing heavy rain to the northern states into the Great Lakes. And the southern plains and the southeast will experience diurnal activity within the warm and humid air mass. You can see right here. Got to rush a little bit because we're running out of time. Now we're going to look at the period for August 29th through September 2nd. And a zone of flow is forecast across the northern states, a ridge across the southern states here. Miles of good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for much of the country, with the numbers of 6 to 12 degrees or more will be possible. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence 35 to 40%, and we have above normal precipitation for this region here, probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Looking ahead to September 3rd to the 7th, the pattern doesn't change very much. We still have the westerns to the north, the broad ridge covering much of the southern states. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for little change in the temperature anomalies. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this area, much of the country, and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and this would be the highest anomalies here. And again, given the latest on Henri as of 5 p.m., it is 36.3 north, 71.4 west, maximum sustained winds of 75 miles per hour. So that's a long-range weather forecast discussion for August 24th through September 7th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.